It is 4:10. I am by a gas pump in Klamath Falls, Oregon. And I can't even go anywhere because the gas pumps are all stopped. Thanks to Oregon lawmakers, you cannot even pump your own fuel. So I have to wait till 5:30 when this gas station opens to be able to buy fuel. So I'm going to set up my cot and just crash out here and relax and wait for a gas station to open in Klamath Falls, Oregon. Thanks, guys. I'm about 40 miles outside of Susanville, and the smoke is very strong. I'm beginning to wonder if the streaks overhead are either sunlight from the sun or if that's reflection from fire. I was thinking for a second maybe it was thunderstorms, but the more I see, there's a little bit of the light from the background. It looks like, I hope it's thunderstorms, but I hate to say it, it looks to me more like it might be smoke billowing. I don't know if you can see that, but that is frightening. I have never seen a forest fire other than on TV. That is real, and that is headed this direction. Wow. My thoughts be with all of you in this neighborhood. Be careful. Don't take chances. Very, very sad. There is a sense of urgency of the people to try and save whatever they can back there. So apparently I somehow got off 395, but by being redirected I'm on North 395. Love it. That is ash falling out of the sky from the massive fire that I am outrunning behind me in Northern California on 395. Again, you can see all the ash falling out of the sky. I'm inhaling smoke as it is, trying to get out of here, but it's blowing due northeast. So it's not letting us escape very easily. It is 4:10. I am by a gas pump in Klamath Falls, Oregon. And I can't even go anywhere because the gas pumps are all stopped.